Hi, welcome to Worst Design Studio. Today, I will create a logo for an electrical company. The company name is 24-Hour Electrical. For this logo, I won't be collecting any inspiration because I have already thought of some concepts for this logo. Let's open Illustrator. Create a white background using the rectangle tool. Lock it by pressing Ctrl+2. I will write the name of the logo. I will copy the name and try some different formats with the text. Hold Alt and drag to copy. I will cut this part and keep the 24HR separate. Finding the right font for the logo is very important. Make sure you spend enough time experimenting with fonts, which I also will do after I complete creating all the ideas I have. Now I will paste the electrical part that I cut previously. I will give it the same font with a lighter weight and align them vertically. I will create some space between them. I will make a few more adjustments to them. Again, I will copy the 24HR part and put them horizontally. Now the electrical part. I will adjust the size and align them. Again, I will copy the 24HR to make another variety. I will make a few more variations of the texts. I will delete this first copy. So these were the ideas that I had in my mind. I will delete this one as it doesn't look as good compared to others. I will keep this one out of the board for now and focus on the two better results I got. Let's start with this one. I will make some adjustments to the text so they don't look boring. Oops, I took the wrong picture. Here I have two bold signs in PNG format. You can find these pictures on the internet. Now I will show you how you can use these images to make vector shapes of any kind faster. You can also create this bold shape by using pen tool like this. Although this particular shape can be created faster using pen tool, but more complex shapes will take more time to create with the pen tool, so you can use this method for those complex shapes. The only condition is you need a PNG image or an image with solid white or black background with the opposite color as the color of the shape. Now I will select the image and click on Image Trace Black and White Logo Expand and ungroup. I will delete the white background. As you can see, this has now turned into a vector shape. I will put this shape inside the letter C. I will keep this aside and make a copy. I will repeat the same process with this image. I will resize the shape and align it with the bottom right part of R. I am not liking the round shapes of this logo as the whole letter has sharp edges. I will use the pen tool and make this shape sharp. Here I am using the unit option to unite the shapes with each other. I will make some adjustments. Here I drag the whole shape instead of copying. I will delete this one. Here I have done all the adjustments I needed. Among these three, I will delete the second one and keep the third one outside the board. Now I will test different fonts. The font selection took a big amount of time, so I will fast forward it. In all of these designs, 24HR and electrical have the same font with different styles to maintain consistency throughout the design. In this version of the logo, I am not happy with the round touch on the edges. At this moment, I got another idea, so I just quickly tried it out. Well, the thing I tried didn't work out. Delete this one also. Of these two designs, I really like this one. It looks really clean and modern and has a bold look to it. But there is a problem. Let me show you. This 24HR and the 4K HDR sign is giving the same impressions. If someone notices the similarity, it will be hard to unnoticed, which can cause a major problem for the company using the logo. I believe I don't need this one anymore. Although I am not going to use this font, I will keep it for a direct comparison. Now time to put the colors. I am going to try some yellow and orange colors as they will fit the company's image. Now I will apply the colors to the other font. The coloring process is done. I will create another artboard using the artboard tool. Now I will copy the fonts and put them side by side. After taking a lot of things into consideration, I am picking this orange color for the logo. I will delete this extra artboard. Here we have our final logo. Finally, here is the presentation.